Hello everyone, welcome to Manmaker. I am Ranjan Kumar and today we are going to talk about HAL exam preparation. So recently HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has released the notification for the post of design trainee and management trainee post. So you can apply for that. Still time is there, date is there, so you can apply for that. So today we are going to see what about the exam pattern and detailed syllabus is there for this and how you are going to prepare for this exam. All right. And for PDF and more updates, you can join our Telegram channel and WhatsApp group is there. You can join this one. Here I am sharing job notification, class notification, PDF notes material you will get here only. So below description box, you will get the link. Kindly join this one. And you can access any kind of course from the Manmaker app, which is available in the Play Store. Same thing you can access from the manmaker.in also. All right. So first of all, we'll discuss about the selection process and exam pattern. So for this HAL management trainee or DT, that is design trainee. So selection process is in two stage only, written test and interview is there. Okay. After that, document verification and medical examination is there. So you need to qualify in written test and interview. All right. And this written test is based on like computer based test, it is CBT. And in this CBT, you will get total 160 question. Okay. Total 160 question you will get in that three paper is there. Paper 1, paper 2, paper 3. Paper 1 consists of 20 question. Paper 2 consists of 40 question. And paper 3 consists of 100 question. All right. And for this 160 question, you are going to get total 150 minute. That is 2.5 hour you are going to get this for this CBT exam. Okay. So in each correct marks you will get 1 mark. So total 160 marks is there. And for negative marking till now they haven't mentioned anywhere. So you will come to know when your admit card will release. So that time you will come to know about the negative marking and all. All right. So this exam like this CBT will in this you will get the question in English and Hindi both language. Okay. And to the weightage will be there for the CBT, it is 85% and interview it is 15%. So total 100%. Okay. And to qualify in each means in the CBT also at least you need to means to qualify you need to get 50% and above, and for the interview also you need to get 50% and above. All right. So keep in your mind to qualify this thing at least 50% and above you need to get the marks and all. Qualify is different and cut up is different. Always remember. All right. Now, syllabus. So syllabus, this is common for all, whatever branch you have. So part 1, they are going to ask question from the general awareness of 20 MCQs. In that, they are going to ask question from the current affairs, Indian history GK, Indian geography GK, Indian economy GK, Indian polity and constitution, science and technology, book and authors, awards and honors, sports GK, important days, national and international events. From this, all the things they are going to ask question. 20 question they are going to ask from this section. Okay. Now part 2, in the part 2, you will get English question and reasoning question. So total 40 question, 40 MCQ is there in the English, like basic grammars and reading comprehension is also there in this. Okay. And in the reasoning, these are the topic is there that you need to cover before to complete the syllabus. Okay. So this is for non-tech section, non-technical, that will 20 from general awareness and 40 from the English and reasoning. Okay. Now we'll talk about our classes, that is electronics engineering. So for the electronics, you are going to get 100 MCQ. 100 MCQ, they will ask question from the electronics. That too, they will ask question from these topics. Analog electronics, digital electronics, semiconductor physics, network theory, communication system, signal and system, control system, electronic measurement and instrument, microprocessor and embedded system. From these chapters or subjects, you are going to get question in the exam. Okay. Now, how you are going to prepare for this? In the YouTube, I will provide you important questions and all in the details way, as I am taking the classes and all, you know already. And in the app, study material is available now for this thing. Okay. So in this you will get short notes ebook. Short notes ebook means subject wise short notes ebook you will get. Okay. In that you will get all like it's like notes only that you need to cover. It will be like that. It's ebook. So like that you will get subject wise, like first subject is there for you, it is analog electronics. So in the electronics, analog electronics, whatever you need to cover, like semiconductor fundamental is there, first topic. So from the semiconductor fundamental, important point, important topic, important things are mentioned here. That will be for your exam purpose only. Then PN junction diode, in the PN junction diode, what do you need to cover? Everything is mentioned here from the point of view of exam and all. So like that things you will get. Okay. Short notes you will get, subject wise short notes is there. All right, subject wise short notes is there. Then after that you will get subject wise important MCQ. Okay, subject wise important MCQ is there. Subject wise important MCQ is there. From that 9th chapter you will get subject wise important and expected question with detailed answer explanation. Then subject wise mock test is there. Subject wise you can give the mock test. Okay, mock test for the practice and all. Then technical sample paper set, like 100 question they are going to ask. So 100 like that you will get 5 set question. In that also important question will be there with detailed answer and explanation. Okay, so you can check there the sample paper like a technical. Okay, for non-tech also, like non-technical is also there, paper 1 and paper 2, part 1 and part 2. So non-tech MCQ you are also going to get. All right, then model sample paper means as per your exam total 160 question is there. So like that model paper 3 or 4 paper you will get there. You will get exact like a exam pattern question and all. So that you need to practice with detailed answer, it will be there. Then full length mock test you will get. Full length mock test means exam how you are going to appear. Before that you can give this test, so you will come to know the accuracy and everything. Okay, score and accuracy, how you are getting the marks and all. Okay, so these are all the things you will get in the Manmaker app. Okay, which is available in the Play Store. Same thing you can access from the manmaker.in also. All right, so just download this app from Play Store, or in the description box link is there, you can download from there. Go to all course, check this banner. Okay, this banner you can check there, or it will be mentioned HAL exam preparation something. So just go there and download this one. And if you are facing any kind of issue in the app or website, you can contact me in this WhatsApp number. You can drop here the message and all, I can sort out that problem. All right, so this is about your HAL exam preparation. Okay, so okay, you can prepare with the notes and all, and I will upload in the YouTube I will provide you some more questions related to your exam and all. So you have I think 1 month in your hand, because in the September month only exam is there in the first week I think. So you need to prepare well. All right, okay, then this much only. If you like the video, just hit like on a button. Kindly share with our needy one. And if you're not subscribed my channel till now, just subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Okay. Thank you.